Operating an auto repair shop efficiently involves juggling various tasks, managing appointments, tracking repairs, ordering parts, and handling customer communications. As businesses grow, these tasks can become more time consuming and error prone, especially without the right tools. Shopmonkey is a comprehensive auto shop management software designed to help you streamline every aspect of your business in one seamless platform. With features that cater to scheduling, invoicing, inventory management, customer communication, and more, ShopMonkey empowers auto repair shop owners and technicians to focus on what matters, providing top-notch service to customers. Whether you're a small independent shop or multi-location operation, ShopMonkey offers the tools to simplify and optimize your workflow, increase shop efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, we will guide you through the key features of ShopMonkey and explain how it can help you streamline your auto repair shop operations in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the appointment scheduling and calendar management. ShopMonkey offers a powerful appointment scheduling tool that allows customers to book online and helps shop owners manage and allocate technician schedules. With an easy to use calendar view, you can quickly see available time slots, ensuring smooth operations and no overlapping appointments. This reduces booking errors, optimizes technician schedules, and minimizes downtime, allowing your shop to handle more customers efficiently. Another key feature is the repair order and job management. ShopMonkey's repair order feature allows you to create and manage orders from start to finish. You can easily add labor, parts, and services to repair order, track progress, and communicate with customers about job status updates. This increases accuracy and organization by keeping all repair details in one place, while offering transparency to customers with real-time updates on their vehicle's repair progress. Another key feature is the inventory and parts management. ShopMonkey's inventory management system helps you track parts usage, set reorder alerts, and maintain optimal stock levels. The software allows you to quickly view available parts, track part history, and order supplies directly from suppliers. This streamlines inventory control, reduces overstocking or stockouts, and ensures that you have the right parts at the right time, leading to fewer delays in service. Another key feature is the customer communication and CRM. With ShopMonkey, you can easily manage customer interactions through automated reminders, text messages, emails, and service updates. You can also store detailed customer profiles and service histories in the system. This enhances customer relationships by keeping them informed at every stage of the repair process and automating follow up reminders, leading to improved retention and satisfaction. Another key feature is the invoicing and payments. ShopMonkey simplifies invoicing by automatically generating invoices once repairs are completed. The system supports a wide variety of payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and cash payments. This speeds up the billing process and ensures that payments are tracked and processed efficiently, helping you maintain healthy cash flow and reducing administrative work. Another key feature is the reporting and analytics. The software offers detailed reports on shop performance, including sales data, technician productivity, parts usage, and customer retention. This provides valuable data to help you make informed business decisions, optimize shop operations, and drive growth by identifying trends, opportunities, and inefficiencies. So, why is ShopMonkey a great choice? ShopMonkey is a great choice for auto repair shops because it combines all the necessary features for efficient business management into one user friendly platform. Whether you need to handle customer appointments, track repair orders, manage inventory, or streamline billing, ShopMonkey does it all in a seamless and integrated manner. This eliminates the need for multiple software systems and simplifies shop operations. The software's cloud based nature also allows you to access your shop's data from anywhere, whether you're on the shop floor or working remotely. Its mobile app ensures that technicians can stay up to date with their tasks, making the entire team more efficient. With ShopMonkey, auto repair shop owners can focus on improving customer satisfaction and growing their business rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. Furthermore, ShopMonkey's intuitive interface makes it easy for shop owners and employees to learn and use the software with minimal training. The platform's scalability makes it suitable for shops of all sizes, from single location operations to multi location businesses. So, if you're looking to optimize your auto repair shop operations, ShopMonkey is a must have tool in 2025. By streamlining appointment scheduling, repair order management, customer communication, inventory control, and more, ShopMonkey enables you to increase shop efficiency, improve customer satisfaction, and grow your business. So, with real time updates, accurate invoicing, and data driven insights, ShopMonkey empowers you to make smarter business decisions and keep your shop running smoothly. So, start using ShopMonkey today to boost your shop's productivity and provide exceptional service to your customers. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.